Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Pixels. In today's tutorial I will be teaching you guys, I will showing you the trick on how to download your PIXELLAB Pro. So for this you are going to need your Telegram account. So let's head over to the Telegram right here. Let's going to head over to the Telegram right here. Okay, the next step you are just going to do is, you can see I've joined a lot of channels right here, on a lot of channels that have shared the file. This one, this and that one, this and that one, this and that one, and so many more. But the trick to getting this is just going to your search button right here, then search PIXELLAB and search for it, PIXELLAB Pro. Now you're going to wait for it to load. What I just need you to focus on is something called global search. So global search, when you click on it, it's going to bring like a list of it. So, or you can just, the best step to do it is just search for this channel right here, best PIXELLAB mod. So when you search for it, it's going to bring this channel right here, this channel. So you are just going to click on it. After clicking on it, you click on the info, then head over to files. When you head over to files, you can just come to this search button and search PIXELLAB. You can see PIXELLAB. There are different type of PIXELLAB here: PIXELLAB AD, Gold, RT, Beta, TS, Vango, and Pro. This is Pro and this is right here. So anyone you feel like you like it or you need it, they can just download it. I'll be forwarding them to the group right now, so kindly do so to download it and install, as we'll be beginning tutorial by tomorrow. May God help us all. Thank you.